Hi everyone, welcome to Rahul and Jayashree Association Company. So, our main topic for today will be how to prepare for the entrance examination, which may be any exam. Basically, it is a general strategy which you should follow. Number one is that in entrance and in college and university exams, there are different things. In entrance, you have to remember that there are certain strategies which need to be followed, like the questions are turned and twisted. So for that you need to practice as much MCQs, means multiple choice question, as easy as possible. Number two is that when you are reading, then you should make sure that you are clearing your concepts, as because when your concepts will be clear, then only you can catch the questions what the question is trying to ask. And in law, the articles, the sections need not to be learned. What you should do is that you should read again and again. Means when you are reading the Constitution of India, you should read again and again. So when you read again and again, you will remember those articles, those sections. Third thing, every article, every sections need to be studied, but when you are seeing the past year question papers, then you will have an idea which sections, which articles are important. So you will focus more on those which are being asked. Okay, so from previous year question papers, you will know which articles, which sections are being asked, so that needs to be studied more. Okay, fourth thing is that previous year question paper is must. So suppose you are preparing for judiciary exam, then you should know that at least minimum 5-year question paper of that exam should be thoroughly analyzed, so that you will know the question pattern, what type of questions are asked. Patterns are many. Questions can be direct, question can be indirect, question can be twisted. So this all you will know by analyzing the minimum 5-year question paper. If it is possible, then 10 years. So 4 number point is that analyzing past year question paper, as because past year question paper will give you an idea about that particular exam. So you will know about that particular exam by seeing the question paper. Okay, that was 4th number point. 5th number point is that it is better to read one book 10 times. So restricting the resources. Suppose you are studying 10 books, you are not able to revise once only, then it is of no use. So the strategy should be, you should read, for example, one book, that book should be read as many times as possible. So that strategy is better than studying 10 books not revising. If you will not revise what you have studied in a week, then you will not remember. So it will be better if you read less resources, but you read and even revise, and the important points need to be noted so that you will remember. Okay, so this is one point over here. Practicing MCQ type question will help you more, as because only reading and remember is not enough. When you are in exam hall, you are getting 100 questions to solve. So over there direct questions are not asked in entrances, so you will have strategies prepared, and accordingly you can solve the questions papers. Okay, so these things are important. And the other is that who will tell you to prepare, follow that person advice. Asking many number of people will spoil your plan. And this thing is attached to one more thing. When you are making a plan, stick to that. Maximum, if you follow 1 week, then you are seeing that it is not working, then you can change it. And one important point come over here is that some people say that if I study 10 hours, and some people will say that I will study 4 hours. 10 hours or 4 hours, that is not a factor. Factor is that if you can catch the syllabus, if your brain can take for 10 hours, you can study 10 hours. But if you are able to study 4 hours, you study 4 hours. But the thing is that the syllabus needs to be completed, it needs to be revised, questions need to be practiced. If it is answer writing, then answer writing should be practiced in a time bound manner. So duration of study doesn't matter, only the thing is matter how much you can take. If you can study 4 hours and you are able to complete the syllabus, then you study 4 hours. So if you are studying 10 hours, you are not understanding, then what the use? So how many hours your mind can take, you can study that many hours. The thing is that you should complete the syllabus. Okay, and the thing is that 3 key strategies: read, revise and practice. This will help you out. Okay, so Rahul Law class provide preparation for all exams in India. Mock test, everything is available. And one thing is that if you take one course from us, you are getting lifetime variety. You are qualified to take any course, you don't have to pay for that. Means multiple benefits you are getting it. Variety will be lifetime. We provide mock test, test practice, lectures, and the fees are affordable. Okay, so contact details, group links, everything will be there in the group. Everything is there in a group. To join our group, the links will be given. You can join in Telegram, LinkedIn, Facebook, and any suggestions are most welcome. So thank you for listening and watching. Please share, like and subscribe if you are not done that. Thank you.